Hello, hello. We are getting ready to go do a little hike. We're going to go try the Mount Baldy hike, which is near our house. It's about less than 10 miles away from here. I got it loaded up. In All Trails, and we're going to try to do that hike. I'll see if my back will allow me to do that. But I'm excited about it, so join us. All right. Gotta get some stuff out of the car that I'm gonna take with me on the journey. Baby, what are you doing?
I'm going hiking.
You ready to go?
I'm so ready to go.
Okay, we're gonna get in the adventure vehicle and rock and roll. You have a bear spray?
Do you have a bear spray?
I don't, there's one right there.
Get that one.
All right, let me grab this bear spray. I got the microphones. I'm geared up. What you doing back there, baby?
Figuring it all out.
I get it. You look cute.
At least I'm protected.
You are, you're ready to go.
That defense.
All right, we are on our way to Mount Baldy, which we should be able to see real soon here. We got our driver, our tour guide. He's been up there before.
Here we go.
So I didn't mention earlier, when I was glassing from the front porch, I noticed a black bear just down from where the people were hiking. Does that concern you at all? Or are you ready?
Ready.
You are ready, I think, yeah.
I'll just sing my way down the trail and I'll scare him away with my voice before I have to pull the trigger.
It's a good idea.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so. That's a real good idea. That is Mount Spur, straight ahead. I think that's Baldy right there. Are you excited to go on a hike?
Is anybody ever excited to go on a hike?
I think we're just excited to get out of the house since it's been raining every day for the past 6 months.
Definitely excited to be outside. I can't imagine what these roads are like when it's winter.
So when you get up to the top here, there's several parking spots. They ask you to parallel park in some, and then other ones up top here you can pull into. This is the trailhead for Mount Baldy.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody's got their dogs.
Didn't that dog look like Jackie?
There's Mount Baldy right there. Ready, princess?
Here we go.
Here we go. We're doing it. So here's where you go. You walk up here and make your way up to the top. How you doing, baby?
Good.
Getting it all together?
Yep.
Good. Adventure begins.
We're gonna go on a little hill.
Is it, you can go this way?
Yep.
Is that the way you went before?
This is how we came out. So that's the really sporty way to go.
Oh,
And then
okay.
this way, it takes a little bit longer. There's lots of switchbacks, but it's not straight up a mountain.
Okay.
I mean, there's some climbing involved for sure, but
Yeah. Is there anything you'd like to say to the people?
here we go.
So we're using the All Trails app just to track our hike. It's a 3-mile loop. We'll see how that...
Is it?
That's what it says.
What's the elevation gain?
Looks like a lot. Yeah, quite a bit. We'll have to take a look.
I brought snacks.
Yeah, we got snacks and water. And we'll see how this goes. What'd you just say?
This is just a little warm-up part of it. Don't be tired on the stretch because it's only going to get more sporty.
Oh boy. Is this a side quest or just a lookout? Oh, cool. That's cool. Little vista point. You good?
Yes. Look at that view.
We just ran into some soldiers and apparently one of them wasn't paying attention to his footing and he looked a little muddy.
He was definitely muddy.
He was a little muddy.
He went down. Man down!
Man down. Man down.
I know there's some muddy parts of the trail. I hope we can pass them.
Oh, look, babe. See it?
Yeah, that's cool. We're in bear country.
Yeah, you could say that.
How many bears did you see today?
5.
So
Oh no, 6.
there were reports today that a bear came down and killed a moose right at the end of our street
Oh boy.
in Eagle River. So there's like full-on nature documentary things happening. And the bears are hungry. Yeah, hopefully we just see them up there on the ridge far away.
Correct.
And we can enjoy them and we can all have our space.
Yeah, we need our space from the bears. Oh, this looks really cool. Look up there in the sky. It would be our luck that the only couple drops would fall right on us. We have record-breaking cold in Fairbanks, so we moved to Anchorage. And the Anchorage area has record-breaking wet and rain. Year to date, a record. All-time record.
Maybe we'll have a record-breaking hot winter. I won't be mad at that record-breaking. We're going up there. So you can see the ridge, the sporty ridge right up there.
Yeah.
Or you can climb the other way, straight up. That's a lot of work.
Looks like a body of water right down in the bush there. You getting warm?
Yeah, it's gonna be a fun venture here. Going up to there.
That's where we're headed.
It's It's so cool up there.
So let's head up there, but we've already looked at all trails, and what did we notice already?
We're right on track.
We're already off the trail. But apparently there's a lot of different routes you can take. But the one that it was telling us to take, we are not on that one. We're making our own route.
Listen, I can see the top.
We can see the top.
And we're headed towards that way, so I can't say that we're going the wrong way. Forgot my flower bag for collection. Kyler went in there.
He did?
Yeah. Man, it's daunting when you see it from this angle.
Yeah.
We just let it rip on the way down. We were running.
That's fun.
Yeah. Surprised we had the energy after the climb. I feel like this is probably like one of the hardest hikes we would ever do.
Yeah, we're not really hikers. I feel like we're in the bush.
Maybe we took a wrong turn.
That's a game trail.
Hey, Bear. How are your shoes?
Great.
Good.
I got new shoes last weekend, and this is the first that I've used them.
Oh, there's a bee on there.
Is that lupine?
A bee. I don't think that's lupine.
Or are those, what were those? Bells or?
I have to look it up.
How you making out back there?
Slowing down.
Here's some mud. Good job.
Did it.
We got to do the straddle waddle.
The straddle waddle.
The straddle waddle. You good, beautiful?
Yes, I wish the camera could pick up this incline that we're dealing with.
Yeah. We have a proper mud wash here.
Do the wibble wobble.
Oh my gosh.
You almost went down.
I almost ate it. Oh no. I just got my foot wet. So let me just show you the incline. I'll put my phone straight up and down, and you can't, like, literally straight ahead. Let's see if I can get it. Oh boy, that's not good. Another good thing about Alaska is that there's no ticks. Are you taking a side quest?
Yeah, let's see what's going on.
Let's see where this goes.
Oh yeah, it's working.
It is?
Yeah.
Where?
Around the mud.
Does it get back to the trail?
Yeah.
I don't even know if we're on the trail.
I got mud on my boots and I don't know. Mud in my boots and Oh, I was doing a trail song.
Oh. It's pretty steep.
Oh yeah. This is nice ground though.
People run up this.
I know. I know.
Like, and they don't have to. I'm sure our microphones are picking this up, but
past all the huffing and puffing. Isn't the water beautiful when the sun is on it?
It is.
Maybe I need trekking poles.
I see people with them.
Would they help or be annoying?
Probably help. I think that's why people use them.
We're like pro hikers, you know?
We are. Turns out we're not hikers.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
We've come to a fork in the road. We can either take this, it looks a little less crazy, or I guess Wild Legs is going for it. So I guess we're heading up.
It might be harder, but it looks shorter.
Whose idea was this?
Don't forget to turn around and look at the view to make it worth it.
We're still at it. We're about 1.5 miles in.
You know how the car feels when you're on like a really bumpy washboard dirt road? And then that moment when you transition onto concrete and it's like, whoa.
Yes.
I think flat land is gonna feel like that after this. And then they reach the top of the mountain to enjoy the summit and the view.
It's pretty awesome, babe.
The weather's turning. It's windy on the ridge.
It is windy.
The hikers keep hiking.
So now we're fighting because I'm cold.
And the man refuses to bring a sweater anywhere, even though we live in Alaska. And the main thing people say about being outdoors in Alaska is layer.
You got this. What's this? A burial?
That's a rock pile. Oh, yeah.
Well, it wasn't easy, that's for sure. But we did make it. What are you laughing at? Somebody didn't listen. And now I have to wear her little jacket.
Are you cold?
Yes, it's cold up here.
Do you think that your wife was right when she said you should grab a sweater?
It turns out she was right.
And maybe next time you'll listen?
Next time I will listen.
Do you enjoy this view?
I do. Now let's see if we can find some bears for the people. Wow. There's a bear right there.
Really?
Yep. There's the bear. It's not very easy doing that. But he's right underneath. You can see him here when I zoom in. But he's really far away. Wild Legs, what do you think?
Look at this beautiful place that we live.
It's pretty incredible.
Isn't it worth it?
It's definitely worth it. What'd you think of those dogs?
They have little legs and they made it up here.
Well, we've already gone about 2 miles, so the other way's about half as long. But
It's literally
steeper.
straight down though, and loose rock. Like it's really hard.
It's pretty cool how the sun looks right behind this mountain here. Is that the way?
It's whatever.
We did it. I'll check back with the statistics so far. Looks really cool. You can see Mount McKinley right now. It's 130 miles away from here.
I think we should do the switchback
It's
one
saying
here.
to go this way, yeah. I've got 13% battery life left and it is draining quickly. It's so cool that you can see Mount McKinley. She's hopping, skipping, jumping, dancing. I wonder if it's always windy.
It was like that when we were here. This is nuts. Goodness, I have to get this.
Maybe our YouTube video will inspire others to go on this beautiful, beautiful hike.
Am I gonna slip?
No, I'm here so I can get your hand.
I want to take a side quest.
That was good.
So you're gonna video me?
Just take it slow, babe. There's Fire Lake down there. There's Fred Meyer. And way down there is the city. There's Highland Mountain. That's the mountain that we see when we look out our living room window. I think I can see where the parking lot is down there, possibly.
That's funny. You think we're at the end.
Oh no, we're
my
not.
shoes untied.
Uh-oh. We have a situation. Baby,
Yes,
we did it.
I'm crying.
We're on our home stretch to the car. I got about 1% battery life left.
Yeah.
Here we are. We did it, baby.
Why did I do that a second time?
Crazy. Let's go home. It's so good to see you. So good to see you. We did it. It was fun. It was good.
My body's like vibrating.
Yeah, it takes a lot out of you, but it's rewarding when you get up there and the wind's ripping and you see everybody celebrating what they just did. So that's pretty cool.
How are we gonna celebrate?
Burger King?
Is there a Burger King in Eagle River?
Oh no, there's not a Burger King.
Oh
in
my
Eagle River.
gosh.
I guess we'll have leftover pizza.
No, we have steak.
Oh yeah, we have steak. Let's go eat that. It is 9:15 p.m. and we're heading down from Baldy, Mount Baldy. can actually see the city straight ahead. And we're heading home. And we're looking forward to seeing how we feel in the next 2 days. We're just heading down, and I think we're just going to end the video here. And we'll see you in the next one. Good night, guys.